Hello student, this is Vishakha Pawar, lecturer from Computer Department of Guru Gobind Singh Polytechnic. In today's session, we are going to start with our new chapter that is Basic of JavaScript Programming. Following are the contents that we will cover in today's session: features, objects, property and so. Let's see the first topic that is features of JavaScript. As shown in the figure, you can able to see the various features of JavaScript. And as the name indicates of each features, it is very easy to find out what exactly it means. JavaScript is object-based scripting language. As the name indicates, it completely based upon the object. It is a scripting language and it is not a Java. It is interpreter based language. It can handle events. It have if else statement, control statement, looping statement. It is a client-side technology as it is used over the browser. It is case sensitive and it have many inbuilt functions. So with the help of JavaScript, you can create various new functions and you can develop various functions keyword also. Let's get start learning the nuts and bolts of JavaScript, beginning with an introduction to JavaScript object. You might have heard the term object-oriented programming language, and you may wonder what exactly object-oriented programming language means. But an object, of course, it is a thing such as document, computer, pencil, car, and everything, nearly everything that you use around your world. It is an object. JavaScript is an object-oriented programming language that is used to build programs using objects. In programming, the object most commonly used by JavaScript are documents, forms, fields, radio button, etc. Let's explore objects in greater detail. A typical web page, as shown in your figure on the screen, may contain many objects of same kind. For example, the figure is showing two forms of same kind having the various fields, buttons, text box, text, everything, and the two forms names as form 1 and form 2. Alternately, we can assign the name to a form that is existing customer form and guest customer form. So to identify it clearly or easily, you can identify it easily. Sometimes your JavaScript needs to access many objects quickly. That's why we can use the slideshow of pictures, and in for showing the slideshow of pictures you can use the array. So array is a next part or we will cover it in next session. But now exactly what JavaScript object means. Objects are variable and it are almost everything in an object. So now let's move to the next part of object and that is its property. So as we know, a property is a value that is associated with an object. Objects can have many values depending on type of object used. For example, consider a form object and it have a title, a weight or height. More precisely, I can give one you example that consider a student itself means yourself, right? You have your roll number, you have your ID, you have your enrollment number. So these are all properties when you are considered as an object. So there is one object and it have some properties. For accessing the JavaScript properties, the syntax is given as object name dot property. That is person dot first name is the example to access the property. Next is the method. Method is a process performed by an object. Till now we have seen the property. Property is something having its own property or characteristics. Now JavaScript methods are the actions that we have to perform or that object has to perform. So for example, consider a submit button on a form, right? And that submit button have the label, and when we click on the submit button, the form is submitted to server side. Means the data from client is going to the server. So this is something action. So whenever we are taking an action, it is going to server side. To access the methods, again there is a syntax, that is object dot method name parenthesis, that is name is equals to person dot full name. Like student can have full name, person can have full name, and whenever I want to access the full name, I can call the method full name and it will give me, it will retrieve the name property of that student or person. Next main thing is dot syntax. You can think of an object as being associated with certain kind of information, properties and certain kinds of behaviors, that is methods. For example, document is an object that has a certain background color, that is property, and document can be written, that is called as a method. You access an object properties and methods by using dot syntax along with the object name and its properties or method. For example, whenever you want to identify background color, you will give document.bg color. And suppose you want to write something in the document, you will call document.write. This is a pretty straightforward to understand once you understand how the syntax work. Each line has two parts. The first name is object and second name is something property or method. In this example, the first line says, I want to access the background color of document object. And second line says, I want to write something into the document object. And dot syntax expression begins with the name of object followed by period, that is dot, and then property, function or chunk that you want to specify. Another basic concept that you need to understand is event handling. An event causes your JavaScript to start executing the code, such as when you click the mouse button on a form that your JavaScript displays on the screen. Your JavaScript is told of every event that occurs while your JavaScript is running. Some events are particularly important to your JavaScript, such as when someone click on submit or cancel button on a form. Other events may not be so important, such as when the mouse is moved onto the area of form. The nature of your application determines whether or not event is important. Your job is to make sure that your JavaScript reacts to important event. This is referred to as an event handling. You do this by creating an event handler, which is a part of JavaScript that reacts to important event. For example, the event handler for a submit button click event while likely contains JavaScript instruction. Mainly, the events are things that happen to HTML element. An HTML element can be something the browser does or something a user does. So this was all about the basic concepts of JavaScript. Let's have now one quiz, simple quiz. There are only 5 questions. You have to think about this question and reply me the answer in either WhatsApp group or Google Classroom or comment box of this video. Anywhere you can give me answer. All questions are based on the video itself. The submit button is a type of object or method or property or variable. The second question is the background color of a document is a type of. The background color of a document is a type of what? Object, method, property, variable. The next question in quiz is, write round bracket is a type of what? Whether it is an object, method, property or variable. Think twice and then give your answer. Fourth question. A dot. A dot is used to identify a JavaScript comment, separate lines of JavaScript, end a JavaScript statement, separate an object name from either a property or a method. So think about the answer and be quick. And last question, what is it called when a person clicks a button on form displayed by your JavaScript? Whether it is an event, whether it is a reaction, rollover or mouse rollover. So, after giving this quiz, then only you will be able to attend next session. So, be quick and give me answer fast. Thank you. Thank you for watching this session patiently. For any queries, drop a mail to me at vishakha.pawar@ggsf.edu.in. You can give your suggestions and write comment in comment box. Thank you once again.